Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be my updated wash day routine. I'm going to take you guys through what I've been doing lately to wash my hair with my new cut and color and everything. I'm going to be starting off with my Olaplex number 3 bond perfector. Then I'm gonna go in with my curl Mo nose hair scalp and curl clarifier. Then I'm gonna go in with a deep conditioner, and then we're gonna style. So if you want to watch me do my wash day routine, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
So I got the conditioner, the bond treatment all in my hair in all 4 sections. I used literally the rest of that bottle, wasn't that much left in there. So to further intensify this treatment, I'm going to take my handheld Q-Reduce steamer and steam my hair. While this is in my hair, I did have a shower cap on my hair to hold in lock in the heat, so I can get a deep bond treatment. But I'm gonna take it a step further and do the steamer. So this is a handheld steamer that you push it and then steam comes out. And what the steam does is actually opens up your cuticles in your hair shaft so that it can actually penetrate even more. And I've had this, y'all, for 6 years probably, this handheld steamer. I hadn't used it in a while, and I went to go use it and it stopped steaming on me. So I emailed the company, told them. She told me what to do like a little vinegar rinse treatment to it, and bam, it worked. Started steaming again. So I'm back in action. So I'm just steaming my hair. I'll do this probably for about a good 45 minutes, not that long, honestly. And then I'm gonna go ahead straight into shampooing. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with this Mo nose hair scalp and curl clarifier. This I'm actually almost out of as well, but this is basically like a pre-shampoo type thing. So I did my bond treatment, now I'm doing this, then I go back in with a shampoo and then a conditioner, then a deep conditioner. So let's just go ahead. Yes, it's a lot for this wash day, but my hair needs it, you know? How about I open it first? How about that? And this is basically just like a liquid that you put onto your scalp and you rub it in and it lathers up. So I do use oils on my scalp, so it's important for me to actually clarify my scalp at least once a week, and then I co-wash in the middle of the week. But I definitely do use a shampoo. I'm not really a co-washer, never use shampoo type of girl. No, I mean, yeah, I always use shampoo. But I'm gonna massage this into my scalp, lather it up really good, get these edges from all that edge gel that I've been using. It's been a while since I recorded and I forgot how much work it was, but I missed it so much. So my mask of choice today is going to be the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. And this is an oldie but a goodie. I bought two other containers of this, and I saw this at Marshall's for $11, and I'm like, heck yeah. So I got this. I used this in my daughter's hair when she was a baby, and it did amazing. So I'm gonna just apply this to my hair. Take a good heaping amount of it. Alright, so I'm going to just apply this plastic cap, go and sit under the hooded dryer for about 10 minutes, not long, just so this mask can really penetrate my hair. I try to sit under a hooded dryer at least once every 2 weeks when I'm like, has to be on a Sunday or Saturday when I have time to actually like TLC, spend time with my hair. So I'm going to do that and then rinse it out, and then I'll be back so we can go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I done washed, deep conditioned, pre-treatment, all the 9 yards. So my hair is like super moisturized. I forgot how much I love that deep conditioner. My hair is so soft. So now I'm going to go in with this TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. I got this from Marshalls. It was $20, and this has lasted me for about 3 months so far. I use it and my husband uses it in his hair, but I have about this much left, so I looked online to buy some more of this, but I couldn't find this big bottle anywhere. But this leave-in conditioner is really good. It reminds me a lot of the Miche leave-in conditioner that you guys know if you watch my channel years ago. I used to love that leave-in conditioner. So now I like to use this one in my hair. I've been using this one literally in every wash day since I got this. About a month, it's probably been about 2 months. Probably not 3, probably about 2 months ago. But it is super moisturizing, and it clumps my curls together and makes it look really well. So I'm going to apply this leave-in conditioner all over my hair, and so we can get ready to really style. Alright, so pre-cut, pre-color, I used to always rock a middle part. That was like my signature thing, was the part down the middle. Lately I have been exploring this side part that I'm like, I think it's so like, it shows off my color a lot more than the middle part. Alright, since I've applied my leave-in, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my oil. I usually use the African Pride oil, but I've been out of it, and our Sally's here is closed due to the hurricane damage. So I've been using this Aussie Miracle Curls Aussie Curls Miracle Defining Oil Gel, however you say it. I've been using that, and it is super like a gel, but it's like an oil too. It's like a oil, literally an oil gel, but it's kind of slimy, but I don't know, it works. It locks in the moisture for me in my hair. So I've been using this to help define it and also lock in my leave-in. Alright, and my styling gel, my preference of gel that I'm going to use today is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe Vera and Coconut Curly Defining Gel. And this gel has a pretty good thick consistency. As you can see, it's pretty thick, but not too crazy. So I'm gonna just kind of apply this in sections. I normally don't do this, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do a little bit smaller sections than what I normally do, and apply the gel to my hair. Okay, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the rest of my hair all the way around, and I'll be back. Alright, so I have the product applied to my hair all over. Let me scoot back a little bit so you guys can see a 360 of what my hair looks like. This gel reminds me a lot of the Eco Styler gel, the green one. So I'm very hopeful for these results. I've never used this gel before. I got this in the curl box a while back, and I never used it, so I'm pretty hopeful that this is going to be like a bomb wash and go. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and go sit in a hooded dryer, stretch my hair tonight. I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow. But yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so here's the finished look of how my hair came out. I absolutely love that gel. I don't have it in here no more, but that gel is like bomb. My hair is super duper soft. It had a cast on it. I like using this Kenra moisturizing oil. I like using this to actually like break up the gel cast in my hair, and then I just literally, so y'all saw me stretch my hair, I just stretched it all over and then just kind of picking it out to get my true shape, and bam, that's it. So here is my updated wash day routine with my new cut and color. I like it. I love it actually. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Mwah. Bye.